I'm Shayan Naqvi from NYP News. News from a youth's perspective. The news this week was all about Cecil the lion, and I found this news really upsetting. Maybe we'll talk about this news later, but underneath all this sad news, I found two positive, great topics, both related to space. The first thing I'm going to tell you about is amazing. It's an invention that will help humanity progress further. Much further. Literally. You're probably wondering, what is this new invention? It's called the N-Drive. If you haven't heard of it, allow me to explain. The N-Drive is an invention which does work without a propellant. It does this by bouncing micro, teeny tiny waves around inside a chamber. There were all these rumors running around that the N-Drive, that new invention, defies the laws of physics and isn't possible. However, these rumors can now be put to rest. This invention does not defy Newton's laws. In fact, it enforces his third law. Earlier, I made a little joke about how it literally progresses us further. And I wasn't joking. The moon, with the N-Drive, is now just a mere 4 hours away. You know that 6-month journey to Mars? How about 70 days? It's just that good. And the icing on the cake is that a 7-year journey to Pluto is now just 6 months. And with using normal engines, that's how long it takes to get to Mars. Remember, the N-Drive is still in its first stages. Imagine N-Drive 2.0. This invention really will revolutionize spaceflight. And with the N-Drive, in the future, one day, we may actually be able to create a warp drive that will allow us to go much farther and expand our horizons even more. One place that we'd definitely go to with the warp drive is planet Kepler 452. If you haven't heard of it, it's a planet 1,400 light years away and has a star just slightly bigger than our sun and is in the habitable zone. So if their chemical processes happen like us, they would be a billion years more technologically advanced than us. If we got to that planet, we could learn possibly the future of our species. Would we have gone Terminator? Would they look really different after a billion years? Or maybe they moved to another planet altogether, like we've planned on doing in the future. There are just so many questions to be had. I'll keep you guys updated on these fascinating topics in the videos to come. Shayan Naqvi, signing off.
And it's a planet that has a sun slightly bigger than ours, and its Earth, which we're calling Kepler 452, is slightly bigger than ours, and they are in a habitable zone, and they can definitely have life, and there are signs of water. And so if they had people and the chemicals progressed the same way, these people would be a billion years ahead of us. What do you think the technology will be like in a billion years?
Well, the first question will be if they're still alive by a billion years, but assuming that they are, I'd say they'd seem like magic to us. And yeah, I can't really...
Do you think they'd become like part cyborg? Would people on planet Kepler have gone Terminator?
I haven't watched Terminator, but yeah, I'd say that they would incorporate robots into themselves.
It'll probably be much more convenient to us, but I don't really know what it's going to be like.
Some people are saying that humans will look completely different, and some will even become robots. What do you think of that?
Well, I hope that we can like preserve our human bodies in like nature, but if it's like unavoidable, then I guess we could become like part mechanical. That'd be kind of cool as well. Okay.
Have you heard of the planet Kepler 452?
I think that was, they found this, I'm not sure if that's the exact one, but they found this planet that had something like Earth-like soil or something.
Similar. Basically, it's 1,400 light years away. It's a planet, and basically they're in a habitable zone. They have a star. Their sun is just slightly bigger than ours, and they have definite signs of life, and they have ability to have water. So it's very possible that they have humans because we're chemical progressions, and if so, their humans would be 1 billion years ahead of us. Do you think that the technology in 1 billion years will be really different, and if so, what do you think it will be?
Well, I think what would probably happen is we would be able to probably develop enough technologies to be able to really get an idea of, first of all, like the life on that planet, but also to be able to, like, the sun is supposed to, like, in I think 5 billion years is supposed to like die, I guess, and I feel like we may find a way to maybe possibly move to another planet at that point, because like the Earth's been around for quite a long time, and I feel like in 1 billion years we will have advanced quite a bit to maybe even move to another planet.
Okay.